2, and 3.
Hakaat puai tarik jeliu arja apsau Menteri Rangba Conrad ke sangma usembut Menteri Rangba uba Prestone song ke Director General of Police ke kong ida Hisha Nongrang UMLA ke Ramrai u Armament baru MDC ke Motion Road USP ke West Khasi Hills bat kiwe ki het sorkar kila Hiar syak ke Mallangkona ke jimpli ke Police Outpost kat kum ke jingkran Conrad ke nega ke jingdawa ke balas lembak jongki pajba ke dikatahan ban ai ke jingsngan gi pajba ulang ba ke jingpli ke nega Outpost kan pha ke kubor ke baklan baka sorkar kan syem ke jingsngan ki pajba ke bah khamatam Conrad ulang ba ke jingdon ke nega Outpost hajan ke khaput ber ke Assam kan pendrungi ke mensim sengusngan ki pajba barbanya da na kan ke jingja ya ke Mallangkona Police Outpost lashna ke jingdot ke bakat new point sanlak hausnam aja khat khandai naga Police Infrastructure Renovation Fund ke Mallangkona Police Outpost ke Hab Motion Road Civil Subdivision ke West Khasi Hills hakan ke sila yo ru ke jingkran na uba Prestone ke kong ida shisha bat kiwe
Repair and renovation of Nongstoin PS, which is total sanction amount of 7,67,100 rupees. We are still renovating the Langpi barrack, which 17,50,000, and the renovation of Mallangkona 17,50,000. It's totally completed, so you can, as we can see. Then the repair of barrack at Salang completed. Repair of quarter number 2 at Salang completed, which was respectively for 2,85,000 and 3,28,000, and repair of the Salang PS 1,18,000 total. Now the only pending is Langpi. Yes, sir. Only Langpi barrack is pending. The rest we have completed, sir.
I am visiting Mallangkona. But like your SP has already said, it is largely a peaceful area, and hence there was never any reason for anybody from headquarters to visit the area. But I was very, very happy when Vikram came to me and asked me to please attend this inauguration. When I came here, I was even more happy when I saw the kind of infrastructure that had come up. It is a testament to the teamwork between the district police and the district administration. So I'm sure that with this example of Mallangkona OP, you will give us even more under the PIRF scheme. I'd like to place on record my thanks also to both the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister in charge police for giving us the support and for starting this PIRF scheme, which has been a long felt need in the police department. So it is not only here in Mallangkona, but also in other places where we have come up very commendably and utilized the money that you have given to us, sir. So we assure you that the funds that you will be giving us under this PIR scheme will be closely monitored, and we will ensure that it is money well spent. It is being appreciated across the rank and file of the Meghalaya Police that we at last are able to do something for our own policemen. So, and I would also like to place on record my thanks and appreciation to the people of Mallangkona for not only donating the land for making this building of this infrastructure possible, but also contributing not only men and material, but also their own labor. Vikram tells me that a lot of the construction work was shared very willingly by the villagers themselves. Thank you so very much. It is this.
Sisters, I think this must be the first time where we integrated this project in the name of PIRF, and the full form of PIRF is Police Infrastructure Renovation Fund, initiated few years back by the Honorable Chief Minister. Our Chief Minister, his dynamic leadership, you must have seen, all of you, throughout the state, different initiatives he has taken up and changes keep happening in every part of the state. As I just said, I'm so happy to associate myself today in inaugurating this building of the police outpost here, and I'm so thankful to both the DC and the SP. With the cost of only 17,50,000, you are able to complete this building and also to beautify the compound, as we all see, as we all witness here.
It's a 17.5 lakh rupees building. But you have the Chief Minister of the state, the Deputy Chief Minister of the state, the DGP of the state, all the senior police officials coming here to be part of this very small inauguration in the program. But I would like to tell all of you that this building may be very small, but this building symbolizes the importance that this government gives to governance, the importance that we give to public service. This building is a symbol of the safety and security of the citizens of our state. This building is a symbol of the confidence of the people in this area. And hence it may be a very small structure, but the message is very large. And a message I would also like to give today, that as a government, the safety and security of our citizens is a top priority for our government. Yes, we have challenges, we have difficulties, but amongst those challenges and difficulties, if we all work together, if we all put our heart and soul into what we want to do and achieve, if we keep the objective and the purpose in front of us clear and visible, there is nothing that we cannot achieve. And that is the message of this particular inauguration today. And as Deputy CM has mentioned, this is not just one of the projects that is there. There will be many, many such projects in all the sensitive areas, in all the areas which are very far flung, which are very, very remote, where we have different challenges, where there's a requirement for different outposts and manpower. Let me assure the citizens of our state, not just in West Khasi Hills, but all across the state, that we are committed to ensure that we will build up the infrastructure and provide the manpower that is necessary to ensure that the safety of our people is always there.